In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track budgets in Asana, a step-by-step guide for project managers. Imagine empowering your project management skills by seamlessly integrating budget tracking into your workflow. Let's dive into the process, starting with setting up a dedicated budget tracking project in Asana. First, head over to the Asana website www.asana.com. Once you're there, click on Login to access your dashboard. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, simply click Get Started or Try for free to get things rolling. Once logged in, you're ready to create a new project specifically for budget tracking. On your Asana dashboard, you'll find a plus button, click it and then select New Project. Naming your project is key to keeping everything organized. Consider names like Marketing Budget Tracker or perhaps Project X Budget to keep things specific and relevant to your current project needs. Next, you have the option to choose between a list or board layout. Either format works well for tracking, but selecting the one you and your team find most visually intuitive can make a big difference. Let's move on to defining your budget categories within this project. This is an opportunity to break down where your funds are allocated. Add sections for different categories such as personnel costs, tools and software, advertising and marketing, and miscellaneous expenses. This way you have a clearer view of your spending areas. Now step 2 is all about using custom fields for budgeting data. In your project, add a budget custom field by clicking on the Add Custom Field option. When you do this, choose Number and name this field Budgeted Amount. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify how much you're planning to spend within each category. Tracking actual expenses is equally important. To do this, add another number field named Actual Spend. This allows you to compare projected versus actual spending, enabling better financial insights into your project. Moving to step 3, it's essential to assign and update budget-related tasks. Create tasks for each expense, such as purchase software subscription or order new marketing materials. This not only helps in tracking, but also in assigning accountability, so make sure to assign these tasks to the relevant team member. Don't forget to set due dates for these tasks as financial checkpoints. It keeps everything on schedule and avoids surprises. Invoices and receipts play a crucial role in financial management too. In each task's attachment section, upload relevant documents. This ensures you have easy access to all the necessary paperwork if you ever need to reference them. Finally, let's discuss the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget. Schedule weekly budget reviews. This regular check-in allows you to catch any discrepancies or overspending early, giving you the ability to make necessary adjustments in a timely manner. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tracking budgets in Asana. By following these steps, you'll not only keep your projects financially on track, but also enhance your overall project management skills. Happy budgeting!